Open source software development refers to the practice of making a program's source code freely available for anyone to view, modify, and distribute. This transparent and collaborative approach stands in contrast to proprietary software, where companies closely guard their code to control its usage. The open source model encourages innovation by allowing a global community of developers to build upon existing work, rather than starting from scratch. In the field of artificial intelligence, open source initiatives are making cutting-edge models and tools accessible to a wider range of individuals and organizations. A prime example is the Hugging Face Transformers library, which provides free access to hundreds of powerful, pre-trained AI models that can perform a range of tasks, including text generation, question answering, summarization, and translation. A major open-source initiative in AI development is the Hugging Face Transformers library, which provides access to hundreds of pre-trained AI models across a variety of languages and tasks. This library is a crucial resource in the AI community. It enables developers, researchers, and companies to leverage advanced models without the higher costs typically associated with proprietary models. The open-source nature of the Transformers library challenges the dominance of major tech companies by offering a powerful alternative that is freely available and continually improved by a diverse group of contributors. This model of collaborative development promotes a more equitable distribution of technology, encouraging transparency and reducing biases that can arise from a more closed, singular development process. Hugging Face's Transformers empower entities of all sizes to explore and implement their own AI solutions, instead of relying on the products sold by big tech. This sharing of resources accelerates innovation while ensuring the benefits are more broadly distributed across societies and economies. As AI capabilities continue rapidly advancing, sustaining open-source development will be crucial for maintaining healthy competition, democratizing access, encouraging transparency, and upholding ethical AI principles for the greater good. Overall, open source represents a pivotal counterbalance in the AI landscape, promoting collaboration over concentrated corporate control. Initiatives like Hugging Face's Transformers library are vital for making state-of-the-art AI accessible, driving innovation, and moving toward more equitable and ethical technological growth.